Hi, welcome to today's show. We're going to be making a puzzle. Now, I don't know if you can tell what animals these involve, but let's see. I see something with brown spots and ears, quite big ears, and it's eating a leaf. Sunny. I see, looks like a little bee's head. As a bee's body. I can see a red little animal here, some eyes. I think this goes together here, but it's pretty tricky. This could be a butterfly. Look, see the wings here and then the wings here. But I'm gonna start with this part. See that? I think that's a tongue. And I think that's a nose. I'm going to go and put this one over here. I'm going to start there. Now, I have blue sky and a cloud there. So, I'm going to look for something else which is this kind of dark blue and this cloud. Now, can you see anything over? Oh, well, this is dark blue, no cloud. This is dark blue, and it does have a cloud. So let's put those together. Look at that, it fits. That's really cool. Okay, now, this is yellow, and I've only got one more piece that's yellow. It's got some yellow on it. Where's that? That's right. Yes, just there, look. And that's the sun. Excellent. Do you know what animal that is? I'm not sure. Look, it's got some little horns, I think, here, and big eyes, and a big nose, and a big mouth, and a long tongue. But let's keep going. This is the head, so I think there's got to be some ears somewhere. Can you find something with some ears on it? You can? Just here? Yeah, I think you're right. Let's see. And it also finishes this part. Look, see the little horns there? So that's the ear. Well done, you got that. Now, can you see a bottom of the ear? Something pink and yellow? Can you see something pink and yellow? What about this one? Yes, that one there. Oh, that's really good. Excellent. We're doing really well. That's a giraffe. Okay, now let's keep going because I've got my butterfly wings here and I got more wings here. Look, this is my butterfly. Let's put those together like that. Wow. Now, I'm missing this piece in the middle and I got a flower that I started down here. I think that's an eye, right? So let's see, can you see another piece with something that looks like white and black, an eye? Can you see anything like that? Have a look. Yes, this piece here, watch. That's gonna go, oh, look at that, fantastic, that goes in perfectly. Wow. Now, I got some brown spots here, and I got some brown spots here, and I got some brown spots here. I think that these are going to go, because I got blue as well, and I got this thing, this is probably going to be that leaf there. So let's put that one in there. Look what I made. It's a giraffe. Oh, I didn't realize it would be a giraffe. Look at that, that's just fantastic. Now what about this leaf here? Where's the end of this leaf? That's the round part. I need to find the pointy part. Where's the pointed end of the leaf? I got a leaf there, let's see. No. I got a leaf here, but that's not pointy, is it? No. Here, there it goes. Well done. Now I know what's going to go there. Make me finish my little red animal. Let's see. I think it's like a lizard. It's got yellow stripes on its red body and has its tail all curled up. What's it eating? Where's its tongue? Where's its little pink tongue? Is it here? No. The pink tongue is over here. Let's pop that in there. Oh, Oh, wow, you see, look, see how those connect together? And now I have this one up here. This is my orange and kind of bluish green flower, which is over here. And there's my bee, and there's my bee's head, which is just there. Oh, look at that. I have a giraffe, and I have a lizard, and I have a butterfly, and I have a bee looking for pollen from the flowers. And the giraffe is eating the leaves. I think that this lizard might be trying to chase this bee. I don't know. We'll see. But thanks for coming. It was really nice to see you today. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.